Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Stripe Connect for Marketplace Payouts, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Stripe Connect for Marketplace Payouts, begin by creating or logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Stripe dashboard. Select Connect from the sidebar menu. Click on Settings to configure your Connect settings. Choose the type of integration suitable for your marketplace, Standard, Express, or Custom. For this tutorial, we will focus on Express accounts. Next, in the API section, generate your API keys. Make sure to copy both the publishable key and secret key. Now, set up your backend server to handle authentication. Install the Stripe library using your package manager of choice. For Node.js, run npm install Stripe. Import the Stripe library into your server file. Initialize the Stripe object with your secret key. Create a route to handle user authentication requests. In this route, use the Stripe OAuth API for Express accounts. Redirect users to the authorization URL provided by Stripe. Include your client ID and any required scopes in the URL. After users approve your application, they will be redirected back to your specified URL. Capture the authorization code from the redirect URL. Exchange the authorization code for an access token using a server-side request. In your server code, use the Stripe API to make this exchange. Store the access token securely in your database. Link the access token to the respective user in your marketplace. To facilitate payouts, implement a function to create transfer objects. Utilize the Stripe Transfer API to initiate payouts to connected accounts. Specify the connected account's ID and the amount for the transfer. Handle errors gracefully to ensure a smooth user experience. Test the entire flow in Stripe's test mode before going live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.